Hello everyone, today we are talking about the Julius Assange, the founder of WikiLeaks, who has been finally heading back to his home, Australia, after 12 years of legal battle. Assange has been fighting extradition to the United States for his role in one of the largest leak of classified US documents. For the past 5 years, he has been in a high security prison in London, and before that, he almost spent 7 years in an Ecuadorian embassy in London also. On Monday, Assange agreed to plea deal with USA, and he pleaded guilty for a felony charge related to the release of almost 500,000 military secrets of Pentagon about the Iraq and Afghan war. Under the deal, he will serve no more prison time in the US, as he will be credited for the time already served in the United Kingdom. Assange is now free and on his way back to home. Let's understand some key moments. In 2006, Assange founded the WikiLeaks, and after 4 years, in 2010, Assange's WikiLeaks released US military documents and also released the videos and photos of helicopter attack in Iraq. After 2010, in 2012, after 2 years, sought asylum in Ecuadorian embassy. And after 2012, in 2019, he arrested and imprisoned in London. After 5 years, from 2019, in 2024 now, finally, he struck a plea deal and heading back towards his home. Julian Assange's case is a highly controversial case since 2010, and it also raising a questions on freedom of press and on government also, about government's transparency. So in nutshell, supporters celebrate his return while critics remain concerned about the implications of his action. And Julius Assange's return to Australia marks the end of long legal 12 years battle. What lies ahead for him and WikiLeaks remains to be seen. But his story has undeniably left a lasting impact on journalism and whistleblowing worldwide. Thanks for watching. If you found this information useful, and don't forget to like, share and follow for more updates. Thank you.